Hey guys, I got a 2025 Subaru Outback. I'm going to show you to remove this door panel. You need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. So first thing you're going to do is pop this piece open right here. Just going like this. And there is a Phillips screw right there. Just remove that. Next we're going to pop this piece off right here. There's going to be another Phillips screw right there. Remove that. Next we're going to go down here. We're going to pop it off. Go all the way around. Just keep popping it. Very hard to do with one hand. Next, right here, pop this out, pull it up like that, pop this out, pull it up like that. You're going to disconnect these right here. There may be one, there may be two, depending on which side is on. And then this is the last one right here. So now you have access to your speaker, lock actuator, and all that stuff. Hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.